Hi and welcome back. During this session, I'd like to go over a few more question types that you might like to include in one of your assessments or surveys, whatever it happens to be that you're using your Google Forms for. One of the ones that I like here is called the linear scale. As you can see here, I'm just asking my participants to rate today's weather. I currently have it set from a scale of 1 to 3. If I wanted to change that, it's very easy. Just click on that down arrow. I'll just click 5 for the time being. Another thing I'd like to do here is kind of just switch my scale here. Instead of 1 being fabulous, I want 1 to be awful. Change that to awful, and I'll make 5 fabulous. And I've already got a required field. I'm going to keep that as is. Let's take a look in our preview window. And that looks pretty awesome. Go back to my edit window. Another thing that we can add is, where is it down here, is it's called a matrix or it's called a grid, a couple of different things. So you can see here, right here, I'm asking my participants to rate some of their food, whether they love it, hate it, whatever. So I'm going to add another choice here. I'll just say ice cream, one of my personal favorites. And I'm going to add, give them another choice. So it'll be love it, hate it, and I'll just say it's okay. So they're not quite really sure. Save that. It's already required field. That's great. Preview that over here in our preview window. And so you can see our respondents can look at this grid and choose and make comments on what they think of these particular food groups. Going back to edit mode, another thing that we can do, that I promised you earlier in my previous video, was to add pictures. Just click on this image right here. I will go to choose an image to upload. This will bring me to my network folder. And let's just go with the Raiders logo there. Open that. And I've got it right there. I can make it a little smaller if I'd like. I can center it if I'd like. And I can just put a caption. Our school logo. And so that's good. I can take a look and preview it. And there it is. As you can see, I've totally got it in the wrong place. And if you remember from my last video, that's really easy to fix. So what I can do is go here, grab this, it's like a double bar, and just kind of bring it down to where I want it. And I'm just going to put it right here. So pretty easy to fix mistakes using Google Forms. And the other thing that I promised you that we could do is to add a video. You just click on this little icon here. It's the YouTube icon. And if you have a particular web address or URL, which stands for Uniform Resource Locator, that's a big word meaning web address. If you do have one that you've copied onto your clipboard, you can paste it here. But a lot of people don't have one in mind, so I'll just type in Google Slides, for example, in my search. And I'll just, doesn't matter which one, I'll take this one here, select, and I can say, ask my students to please watch the video, be prepared to participate in class. And again, just like with the image, you can center it and make it a little larger or smaller, depending on your preference. And let's take a look at our preview and see what we have so far. And it looks like our Google form is coming along quite well. And so that's it for now, and I hope you have a great day.